Morning comes. The room is quiet and warm.
I can't sleep well.
The alarm rings. It is time to wake up.
What time is it? My head feels hot. I feel dizzy. I'm coughing. Oh no. My stomach hurts. Okay, stand up. Slowly. I need the bathroom.
The bathroom is quiet and cold.
I look so pale. Cold water. Please help. I need to hold the sink. This is not good.
The bedroom feels empty and still.
I need to sit down. Let me check my phone.
A warning appears. Low data.
Oh no, low data again. Jack, please answer. What? No connection. It didn't work. Maybe I should rest.
She looks up at the ceiling, thinking.
Just 1 minute. Wait, I'm hungry too. I need to get up. Okay, I can do it. I'm going outside.
Only piano. That's very calm.
The hallway is empty and silent.
Gentle humming returns.
Fresh air. Okay. The sun is so bright. So many cars. So much noise. I need to breathe.
Slowly fades out.
A small store is nearby.
Maybe I can buy medicine here. These lights are too strong. Ow, my eyes. Medicine, where are you? So many words. I don't understand this label.
A clerk walks closer to help.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I feel sick.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. Which one is for fever?
This one can help with fever and pain.
Okay, thank you. I will take this one. I hope it helps. I will pay now. Here is the cash.
A receipt prints from the machine.
Thank you. Bye. Wow, the sun is worse. Bus stop, please.
The bench waits in the heat.
I need to sit. My head hurts.
The bus arrives.
Hello, one ride, please. I will stand. Hold tight. Don't fall. I feel weak. I see a pharmacy sign. Oh no, I missed it. Stop, please. Okay, I need to get off.
The bus drives away. Amy stands alone on the sidewalk.
Where am I now? This place looks unfamiliar.
Melody slightly determined.
Okay, don't panic.
Vocal humming.
I still have my map. Let me check. Slowly.
The paper map moves in the wind.
Stay still.
Slightly developed.
Please.
Vocal.
I see the street name.
Remain soft and very.
Oh, there. That sign, pharmacy. I can go there.
Only piano pads. Very calm.
Cross the street. Carefully.
Gentle humming returns.
Cars pass by as she walks.
Almost there.
The pharmacy doors open.
Hello.
Piano.
The pharmacy is bright and quiet.
This place feels safe. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I feel sick. I bought medicine, but I feel weak.
Did you drink water?
Not much. Can you tell me where the water is?
Yes, aisle 3, on the right.
Thank you. Aisle 3. Okay. Here it is. Cold water. Good. I feel tired, but stronger.
She walks forward into the light.